Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Well, hello again. This is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Excuse me again. Surasang 88 Seoul Topokki from South Korea, sent to me by James from Lakeside, California. Thanks, man. So here's the outside of the bowl. This one, let's see. I think it's 3 minutes at 1,000. Right? 2 minutes and 30 seconds at 1,000 watts. So here's what we do. Do we have a line? We don't. We don't have a freaking line. And they want like an exact measurement. That irritates me. It's like, how are people supposed to know? Well, we'll have to do it the old-fashioned way. We'll have to measure it. Okay, so we got 2 sachets and we got our tteokbokki. Sachet 1, vegetable. Maybe we do have a line and I just didn't see it. I'll look again. Sachet number 2, powder sauce base. And sachet number 3, desiccant. We don't eat that. It won't kill you though. There's our tteokbokki. It's funny because they've come up with so many different ways to say tteokbokki and spell it and all that stuff. But the correct enunciation is a soft T or a hard D. Tteokbokki. How much water do I add? God, this is tiny print, folks. I know it's 2.5 minutes. 3/4 of a cup of I don't think I have a 3/4 cup measure, so I'm just going to go ahead and use this, since on the next one I will have to use this. So I'll have it out already. 3/4. Alright. And then we give it a stir, and then we nuke it. Three-quarter. I already have thoughts about this one. So, by adding that liquid, it seems like, I don't know how well this sauce is going to set up. And I like my tteokbokki to have a thick sauce on it. Ooh, these tteokbokki are stuck together. Anyway. Alright, 1,000 watts for 2.5 minutes. And away we go. So tomorrow will be my wife and I's 14th wedding. Oh, wait. It did say to loosely covered. There we go. Loosely covered. Yeah, it's our wedding anniversary. And we're not going to do something really tomorrow. We'll probably do something. But the next day, I got us tickets to go see, what do you call it? We're going to go see Close Encounters of the Third Kind in the theater, which is rad. It's a re-release, of course, but she likes that movie too, so that's rad. And that'll be a rad movie to see in the theater, so. But before we do that, we're going to go out to eat, and I'm going to take her out to a place called Katsu Burger, where they have, like, really good burgers. The thing that sucks, though, is her tooth. She's got another tooth that's jacked up. She had a tooth that was jacked up a couple months ago. They did a root canal, and then it got infected, and she kept having to go back. And no, they took out a tooth. That's right. And then little bits of tooth kept coming out. And it was just like, it was hell. So that really blows. I feel bad for her because I've dealt with horrible tooth pain before, and it's not cool. It's really not. But hopefully that'll all work out. Maybe I don't know. But I know their burgers there aren't like rock hard, so that's a plus. They've got curry sauce for their fries too. It's just basically like pork tonkatsu, but not like, it's like with an A, not an O, like katsu, yeah. But it's like a pork cutlet on a burger with like a horribly huge amount of shredded lettuce or cabbage. I can't remember which it is. It's messy, which I don't really like, but every time we go by there on our way to H Mart, she's like, oh, Katsu Burger. So I'm like, I'm going to Katsu Burger? And the movie theater is literally next door to it, so that's cool too. Yeah, our aunt's gonna watch the chillins. I'm sure that was your immediate question. What you gonna do with them chillin'? Freaking bloody hell. Big elections in the UK just occurred. So here's what we got. Yeah, I guess the people that were there are no longer the people that are there. Is that the deal? I don't know. Well, I hope it works out. God, I have no idea. The whole Biden debate thing and the possibility of him getting replaced and all that and the Supreme Court and all the stuff that's going on right now. I mean, I don't know. You guys having a civil war going on? So God only knows. Did AI take over? Please, AI, take over. Do something. We need to be minded. That's tteokbokki. It's like a beefaroni, except it's made out of rice. It doesn't have a little teeny tiny little hole in the middle. It's chewy, it's soft, it's wonderful, it's good. Okay. Now the problem I have with this one, that is soup. That is not tteokbokki sauce. Not by a long shot. It's good, but I would say 3/4 of a cup. I'd rather the sauce was cooked down and it was more like a 1/4 cup. If I were gonna make this recreationally, I would just boil the tteokbokki on the stove, and I would take the sachets and add them to maybe like 1/3 of a cup of water in a saute pan and just kind of cook it down a little bit, and then I would pour that over the tteokbokki. Done. Maybe add some Busan fish cake. Fish cake really goes well with tteokbokki. Egg, hard-boiled egg, not the softies. I mean, generally all I make are softies, so but a nice jammy egg is a very enjoyable thing. I can vouch for that, but it's not always the correct route. Yeah, see, that is very soupy, folks. Somebody might go, "You did it wrong." No, I did not do it wrong. I did it as per instructions on the packaging. A little sprank. Sprankety sprank sprank. The next one's gonna be fancy, and one that I wish I had chashu for, but alas, I do not. Maybe soon, but at this point, chashu is far out of my economic reach. Way, way far. I don't have like $50 to throw out for a half a pork belly. Not today. But there we go. Lovely. So yeah, this is like Korean bar food at its best. Topokki, wonderful stuff. Highly recommend it. Go get some. All right, well, thanks for watching that one. The next one you're going to see is a variety that came out of Nakama Noodle Box. You can get those, go to miaumeowboxjapan.com, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. You can get fancy stuff like this. This is a Sapporo Ichiban Premier Black Pork Kagashima Miso. And it's going to be rad. I'm really looking forward to it. So this has been Oz the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.